Aloha, this is Joshua Bowles with Lyric Woodwork and Snake Road Sawmill. And one of the projects we have in the shop right now is for a headboard. Actually, a number of them. There's this great project we have on the Big Island that we're very excited about. And there seems to be sort of a trend in interior design right now for a headboard to actually be a whole wall, where it's not just a single piece that goes behind the bed, but basically paneling that covers the wall. So this was the original idea for a sort of a traditional headboard, but when the client saw what we could do, he decided to extend it from the trim to the trim. So that's what we're working on today. And for this, we have selected 4 incredible slabs from a wood I don't think we've talked about before. It's called ear pod or elephant's ear. The reason they call it that is that the seed pod is kind of shaped as a long curved shape like an ear. But wait till you see what the grain looks like on this wood. It's really special. Normally when I'm sanding and I'm doing a video, I do wear a mask, and especially with this wood, there's something about the ear pod that the lungs don't like it. So before you get to the comments saying I should be wearing a mask, thank you, I'm on it. But come, check this out. Isn't that incredible? What an amazing wood. Beautiful. So for this headboard we're making for the Big Island, it's 140 inches by 60 inches. So obviously we couldn't make this headboard out of one solid piece. So what we decided to do is use a sequence of 4 panels, all from the same log. So you can imagine we have the log, mill it into slabs, and then take those slabs and, like a deck of cards, deal them out. So they're one after another. And I think it's going to be a stunning effect. So yeah, this being a headboard, it's very straightforward in terms of the woodworking. What we really have to get right is to make sure the whole thing is perfectly level. So we've got leveling device we got from Spay Tool that we'll be using to get all these 4 panels perfectly flat so that when we install them, there's no gaps on the sides or the back.